Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review and makeup look for you with the Kylie Cosmetics Burgundy palette. The first thing I want to say is thank you so much to Cody J or Cody J Artistry on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. I won a giveaway of his and this is what I won. So I just want to say thank you so much for sending this to me and choosing me to be the giveaway winner. I don't know if it was random or if you really did choose and decide, but either way, I'm so grateful that I received this palette, so thank you so much. And we are going to be creating this look that you guys see in front of you right now. This was drawn / inspired by my friend Willa. She was one of my roommates from last year, and she told me to create this look. So that is what I'm going to be doing for you guys today, and we're going to be using this as well as some other items, and then at the end I will be going over all of my thoughts and opinions after using this for several days and creating a few looks out of it. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. I've gone ahead and primed my eyes, and I'm going to quickly pull up my photo for the inspiration. I'm going to turn my mirror on, that's why my light just changed. Okay, like I said, I've already primed my eyes, and I'm going to go in. I guess I just want to lay down the all over red first, I think. Yeah, that's what I want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and clean off one of my brushes super quickly. And I think for that I'm going to take this shade Burgundy right here from the Burgundy palette. And I'm just going to start by putting that all over my lid and crease. I have my mirror in front of me, but I'm also going to be taking another one. Just because I feel like you can't have too many mirrors when it comes to doing your makeup. So as you can see, this shade is really pigmented and it goes on really smoothly. And I'm just stamping it on to get the most color payoff. I'm going to go kind of into the crease now. I'm going to try and create that little wing shape in my eye. I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now what I'm going to do in order to get that kind of like orangey tan kind of color towards the upper lash line that I want to before obviously the black winged liner, I'm going to take a Q-tip that has been severely dampened with the Tarte Micellar Magic makeup remover water, and I'm just going to kind of cut across that lid area. Just kind of open it up. Okay, that actually did exactly what I wanted it to, thank goodness. Did not know if that would work, to be honest. Super glad that it did. I'm just going to do that to the other eye, and then I will be right back. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color Naked right here, and I'm going to kind of set the area that I just removed and just kind of lighten it up a little bit more. And I'm just using the tip of an E3, a ColourPop E3 to do this. I'll try and bring that a little lower so you guys can actually see me. And then I'm also going to take that color and I'm going to take it up into this crease here, because she has a little bit of the white going into the crease. So I really want to capture that as well. And this would also help brighten up the look too. Okay, now I'm going to take an angled eyeliner brush, such as the ColourPop E6. I'm going to take a matte black, which is not in the Burgundy palette, so I'm going to just take Hearse from the Jeffree Star Cremated palette, and I'm going to take that into my crease and just follow my natural crease. Such as the ColourPop E6, I'm going to take a matte black, which is not in the Burgundy palette. So I'm going to just take Hearse from the Jeffree Star Cremated palette, and I'm going to take that into my crease and just follow my natural crease. I'm going to, yeah, I'm just going to go do that. Okay, I think I got the shape right. So now what I'm going to do is draw a black winged liner, and I will come right back to you guys. Okay, so this is the final look. I think I did pretty okay based on what her photo is. I feel like there are so many other artists on YouTube and Twitter and Instagram that can do so much better than I can, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So now we are going to get into the review portion of this video. Okay, so for those of you that haven't seen the Burgundy palette up until this point, this is what it looks like. Right here we have the colors Naked, Beach, and Penny on the top row, LA, Burgundy, and Dubai on the middle row, and Brick, New York, and Almond on the bottom row. This is what the front packaging looks like, and we have the shade names on the back as well as in the compact. So it does come in a unicarton box, so that's really nice. It was very protected when I got it, thank goodness. I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture of the swatches right now. So overall, you can probably tell just based on how I used it, but I really, really love this burgundy shade in the middle. I think it's so, so pretty. It is perfect for fall. This color palette just screams fall vibes to me, and I'm all for it because this is like my fall color scheme. What I will say is that these two shimmers here on the side, when I've used them, sorry, this is the shade LA and the shade Dubai, those two right there, they've been a little underwhelming to me. Like, I feel like they're not really building the way that I want them to. I don't know if I'm just not like putting it on right or using the, I've used my brush, I've used my finger, I've used a brush sprayed, and I just feel like it's not building and layering as I want it to. So I'm definitely gonna have to play around with those. But the mattes do blend really nicely, they layer really nicely, they don't crease on me. I really like this shade Naked here. It's a really subtle inner corner highlight, brow bone highlight. And I think, like I said, this is the perfect fall palette, I think. So I definitely will be using this a little more in probably like September, October. So that's probably when I'm really going to test this out. I love how dark this color Almond right here is. It's the perfect shade to add depth and dimension to the crease. So it's not my favorite eyeshadow formula as of right now, but I think the color scheme is really pretty. I like the mirror that is in here. I think it's a really good mirror. I'm not sure what the price is, so I will go ahead and leave a little note down below in this little clip here. But overall, I'd probably rate this palette, at least as of right now, after using it for now 3 looks, I think I'd probably have to rate it like a B, B minus, just because I'm getting it during a time when it is not kind of in color scheme, though it is my color scheme, and the shadows are giving me just like a little bit of issues. Could be more pigmented, could be more buildable, but it is a really nice palette, and I definitely think I'm going to be looking at Kylie Cosmetics a little bit more in the future. So that is all that I have for you with today's video. If you want to see any more looks with this palette, definitely let me know. Leave a like on this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I cannot wait to see you all very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye, everybody.